Then we move to the beard. Your beard represents wisdom as well. And I've had cases whereby women are dreaming that they have grown very long beard and they woke up very worried. They thought maybe there's a challenge with their hormones. I want to announce to you, don't be worried whenever you get a dream that you have beards as a woman. It means that you are going to gain wisdom. That's what it means. Then I move to the next thing, nose. Any dreams to do with the nose is talking about discernment, ability for you to smell danger, to smell what is cooking. The dream is talking about discernment. Then we move to the neck. Yeah, the neck is the ability to change or to be flexible. So when somebody is advising you and you don't want to hear or adjust, it means that you have a stiff neck. You don't follow instructions. So the neck area represents